So here you see that I have an audio file. In order to increase or decrease the volume, you can directly use the tool right here, which you can see there's a knob, and right now this is the default value, that is 0 decibel points. So if I were to drag it down, drag it onto the left, you can see that the waveform actually decreases and the volume decreases as well. Let me just play this out to hear how it sounds. So you can see that this is you can hear and see that this is the volume level. If I were to increase it, you can hear that the volume actually increases. And you can see that the volume is higher because of this red lines right here. So let me just pause that out. That is a quick way to increase and decrease volume. Another way to increase and decrease the volume is by going on to effects, and there's amplitude and compression. And over here inside here, you can see that there's amplify as an option. So you can see that here you can adjust the volume of each individual channels, that is the left channel and the right channel. So right now you can also see that there's presets, so you can decrease everything by -6 decibels. And if I were to apply this, you can see that everything has been increased by 6 decibel. But this is usually not a good idea. If I were to press play, you can see that the sound is a bit distorted because this is going off track. Let me just press Ctrl Z to undo that out. And I'm going to go over here into the amplitude again, into the amplify, and I'm going to decrease this. So I'm going to say something like minus 10 decibels, and I'm going to apply it. And you can see that the volume is much lower. I can also go over here, go into amplify, and I'm not going to link this. So I can have the left channel to be increased in volume and right channel to be decreased in volume, and I'm going to press apply. Once you do that, you can see that the left channel has a higher volume and the right channel has a lower volume. So you can do that. Or alternatively, you can simply click left, and you can see that left channel is disabled. And once I increase the volume, you can see that only the right channel volume is being increased at a time. So I can disable the right channel and enable the left one, as you can see right here, and then with the volumes. So I can select individual portion as well and increase and decrease the volumes. Also, I can do the same, select this part out. I can go into amplitude and I can select amplify right here, increase and decrease the volume right here, press apply, and that part has been increased, as you can see, just like that. So that is how you can change volumes inside of Adobe Audition. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.